Good day everyone and welcome to our amazing LutuAn. For today's recipe, we're going to use the Saladmaster 8-inch gourmet pan. Ito po yung way ng cooking namin ng fried tortang talong with giniling. You don't need to add more oil. Kahit konti lang, pwede na natin siyang i-fry. So, what we did was inihaw muna namin yung mga talong sa aming smokeless griller, and then binalatan, pagkatapos in-squish, and then after nun is nag-add kami ng tortang giniling on top of the talong. We also beated the egg, first yung egg whites para maging foamy, and then yung yolk ng egg ilagay nyo. So, then, pagkatapos po nun, is i-fry na natin. Eto na po siya. Wow! So, again, welcome to our amazing LutuAn channel. If you like the video, please do so. Share it with others. Share the video.
And on the viral.
Okay, and then, please do like and subscribe to our amazing LutuAn channel. Enjoy it. So, this is an immune system booster recipe po.
Yes.
Okay? So, enjoy our video and we love seeing your comments. Please do put your comments. Pinlip na ni Mami yung tortang talong with giniling. Napakasarap. At saka hindi mo kailangan lubog sa oil. Sa Saladmaster, kahit konti lang po yung cooking oil, pwede na siyang i-fry. Wow! Yummy! Here's our finished product. Wow! Yummy, yummy! Kakain na tayo! Thank you very much for watching. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is the Amazing LutuAn. Enjoy and happy, healthy cooking. Bye! Thank you po. God bless!